AI vision systems are becoming less dependent on curated labels and more capable of improving themselves at deployment time. Across recent work, frozen foundation models are being turned into geometry engines, orientation priors, and video restoration systems using test time signals, image, 2, 3D semantics, and physics-grounded synthetic data. The practical gains are striking. Adaptation in minutes, canonicalization without category templates, and reflection removal at 87 milliseconds per frame with TRELLIS 1.2.1 and Quendry VL in the loop. Keep watching to see where self-supervising 3D and video systems are heading. Let's explore the first paper, 2600, 8.10708. Self-geometry is a ground truth-free, plug-and-play test time adaptation pipeline for pre-trained 3D vision foundation models such as VGGT, Pi3, and Depth Anything 3. Instead of relying on model-generated features or external teachers, it uses 2D pixel correspondences extracted by light glue as pseudo-ground truth. Its geometric disentanglement optimization combines a point-to-point multi-view consistency loss for pose and depth with a depth-independent epipolar consistency loss for camera pose, while gradient disentanglement projects conflicting gradients apart. Frame angular neighbor sampling selects views using scene scale invariant SO3 rotation distances, and LoRa adapters update only attention block QKV parameters while the backbone remains frozen. Across 6 models and 4 benchmarks, 7 scenes, E3D, ScanNet++, and HiRoom, the method improves performance over frozen models and competing approaches such as free geometry and TCO. On Pi3, mean pose AUC at 3 rises by 8.3% and unposed geometry F1 by 5.1%. On HiRoom, the gains for DA3 base and DA3 small reach 85.2% and 70.4%. Gradient conflict occurs in 42.4% of TTA iterations, motivating the proposed disentanglement. LoRa adds only 0.7% to 3.4% parameter overhead, and adaptation completes in 2 minutes for up to 40 input views on a single NVIDIA RTX Pro 6000. Let's explore the second paper, Canis Generation. Assisted 3D canonicalization via an image semantic bridge. Canis addresses category-agnostic 3D canonicalization by converting an arbitrarily oriented point cloud into a shared upright and front-facing frame without canonicalization-specific training or category templates. Its 2-stage pipeline uses SCPS, or Shape-Guided Canonical Proxy Synthesis, and PCAR, or Patch-to-Cluster Semantic Anchor Registration. First, Canis renders 4 candidate views, selects the most informative one, and feeds it to the frozen orientation-aligned generator, TRELLIS OA, an extension of TRELLIS. A weak structural latent from the input preserves instance geometry, while the generator supplies a canonical orientation. During synthesis, voxel-to-image cross-attention is recorded. The selected RGBD view then acts as an image semantic bridge, linking image patches to proxy voxel clusters and back-projecting them onto the original point cloud. PCAR uses these semantic anchors to gate FCGF correspondence search, reject semantically incorrect matches on symmetric parts, and estimate the final rigid rotation with SVD and maximal click consensus. On Toys 4K's 24 categories, Canis reaches instance consistency, IC 0.052, and category consistency, CC 0.083, outperforming CACA at 0.064 and 0.098. On 12 Objaverse OA categories, it achieves IC 0.032 and CC 0.086. The method also raises point MAE part segmentation instance MIOU from 31.43% on rotated inputs to 85.67% after canonicalization, while improving dense correspondence. On an NVIDIA RTX A6000, the full pipeline takes 22S per object, demonstrating a practical trade-off for generation-assisted 3D alignment. Let's explore the third paper, from synthesis to removal physics, grounded reflection, simulation, and diffusion-based video dereflection. This paper presents a closed-loop system for removing reflections from video, addressing the shortage of paired, reflected, and clean footage with S2R synthesis. Instead of simple RGB blending, it composes reflection structure in line art space and uses physics-grounded augmentation to model 6 glass effects: roughness blur, thickness ghosting, reflectance variation, partial coverage, static reflections, and planar reflection. A WAN 2.1 video diffusion renderer, trained from Flux, 2 Klein 9 billion pseudo-reflections filtered with Qwen 3VL 8 billion instruct, then produces temporally coherent, reflected videos with exact clean counterparts. The resulting S2R removal model adapts WAN 2.1 through LoRa-based reflection-aware latent training, residual-derived intensity supervision, and a second stage using reconstruction, SSIM, and LaRie-S depth consistency losses. It removes reflections in one denoising step rather than iterative diffusion sampling. Evaluation uses the new S2R bench, including 60 paired videos in S2R Ref and 50 real-world videos in S2R Real. On S2R Ref, the method reaches 28.84 dB PSNR and 0.8594 SSIM, while inference takes 87.09 ms frame. An ablation with full physics-grounded augmentation raises OpenRR1K performance to 34.13 dB PSNR, showing that physically motivated synthesis improves both training diversity and dereflection quality. That's a wrap on today's AI paper highlights. Thanks for watching.